So we're looking at a statistic concept. This is what is called the perinatal mortality rate. So it's a way of, women dying in pregnancy, whereas when they are pregnant, when they are about to give birth, 42 days after they give birth, we're trying to calculate. All right. Now, of course, you are trying to calculate this. It could be for several reasons. Now, we want to collect this data maybe because in a hospital, you want to know why women die. All right. Now, this could help you bring up some one or two, practices that could prevent these deaths. In a community too, you want to prevent. Do you understand? So there's a formula too that they use for this. All right. So perinatal mortality rate is just a key indicator of what the mother, and newborn health. You want to know, so it reflects the number of stillbirths and early neonatal deaths. Okay, so this one is mainly for the woman, for the baby. Do you understand? But of course, it involves the woman too. So it's babies that died when the mother was pregnant, or babies that died during childbirth, or babies that died after being born. Do you understand? So it's just the same thing, So early neonatal death is like after 7 days of death, after 7 days of life. Do you understand? But if we're talking about the woman, it's the 42 days that I was talking earlier. Do you understand? So please forgive my mistakes. So formula to calculate this is what? Stillbirth plus early neonatal deaths. Okay. All right. How many babies actually were born dead, and how many babies at least survived the day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? All right, before they died. Do you understand? Over the total number of births you had in that hospital or you had in that community, then you multiply by 1,000. Okay. So W Health definition. The perinatal period begins at 22 completed weeks of gestation and ends 7 days after the person's birth. Do you understand? So you want to see the people that died during this period, or maybe during childbirth, or within 7 days after they were born. You understand? So stillbirths is fetal deaths, then also early neonatal deaths, that's within day 0 to day 7. You understand? So this is just a global snapshot. All right, this is just estimation per 1,000 births. Of course, you are multiplying by 1,000. This is because you are estimating it per 1,000 births. You understand? So that was it for these different countries. All right, and that's a formula also to calculate it.